Today we're going to make a scorpion bowl. Stay tuned to see how we make a scorpion bowl. It could be tasty.
It's always tasty.
It is. Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. Ian, Derek, Dan will be walking by at some point since it's a little late. We're going to make the scorpion bowl for you. This is the recipe breakdown. I'm just going to get it out of the way because it's gross. 6 ounces of orange juice, 4 ounces of lemon juice, 1.5 ounces of Orgeat, 6 ounces of light Puerto Rican rum, 1 ounce of brandy, and an ass load of crushed ice. So the way we're going to build this, I can't find my scorpion bowl anywhere, but I'm sure...
It's not very deterministic. An ass load could be widely variable.
Right. It's a wide ass load. There's a scorpion bowl in my house someplace, and it's not small, so I don't understand where it is. But what I do know is I will find it the minute we make this.
Yes. And
So
I think I heard a door shut.
Well, there you go. They're here. What's going on? And see, Dan ends up making it in the end anyway. As long as you make it before. Did you came by yourself?
I came by myself.
Oh shit! Who's gonna drink the scorpion bowl?
Me and John.
What the hell? So, that's all going to go into this beast of a Tiki mug. I used to sell a lot of Tiki mugs. These are from Tiki Farm. 2013. Brad Parker made it. It's like 30 ounces. Should be enough.
And so she wanted to, we wanted to stay. So she stayed.
We made enough.
The cup is big enough, just barely.
That's.
I'm like, I gotta go.
What you were there now?
Yeah, it was like a afternoon thing.
But it's not. It's dark.
Oh yeah, they're still going.
Oh. Boom. You want to drink up here?
Sure.
You can hang out. It's not like there's a full wall.
We're going to add the ice after, correct? Or do you want to add some ice now?
Now, because we have to blend it. Blending without ice wouldn't be any fun.
Yes.
Yes. How's it going, Dan?
Hey, what's going on?
Listen.
Are we drinking this thing or what?
I'm gonna break something.
Ian's gonna drink the whole thing.
Yeah. Oh fuck. So
So I know that goes in
This
there
is-
before you start the thing up.
yes, and it's gonna be on slow. Is there paper towels? Okay, they're over there. I get them.
Oh, wow.
So 15 seconds is probably not gonna happen.
Yeah,
But,
that's a little too full.
but 5 seconds.
That's a little full.
5 seconds is like a zombie, so it's probably pretty
You bet
close.
Tiki thing, we'll pour the rest of this in there.
Ready? Want to just pour it in? Because we should be good to go. It's already freaking cold. Look. I'm not waiting for you guys.
Hey, now you can...
It's got lemon in it.
It's got lemon in it?
Yeah.
Dan's gonna love it.
Oh, shit. That one got away from me.
I don't know how that happened.
Mmm. Oh, that was weird.
You looked hot.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, you're like wearing like, you came all prepared.
Ah,
You got like dress.
come on, summer drinks,
Summer-
scorpion bowls, tiki.
This is like the last session of summer recordings.
yeah,
Because it's going to be, I mean, summer still happens in September.
yeah.
What was that?
So I haven't had a cocktail in a long time.
Oh.
Came across a little hot at first. I don't know why.
It's a scorpion bowl! And there you have it!
It's not bad, though.
Are we supposed to light something on fire with a scorpion bowl?
Yeah, but we can't find our scorpion bowl. I have one somewhere. I don't
It's
know
around.
where.
So, if you don't have a scorpion bowl, but you'd like to still experience the flame, what I would do, even though what you do is you take your lime, or your
put
lemon
alcohol
in
in
this
that thing?
case,
Yeah.
you take the
Like 7
lemon,
ounces of alcohol in that.
squeeze it, flip it upside down, fill it with rum, stick it on top like 151, and light it. We've done that before. Only we do it with lime, right? You put like a little lime house. That'll do it. See, you're not given the face that this has lemon in it because it's curved with the orange.
The orange comes through a lot.
And there's a lot of lemon in it, too.
Yeah. And there's no alcohol taste though.
No, not at all. It tastes
There's
like
7 ounces of alcohol.
lemon and orange.
It's a dangerous, dangerous cocktail.
Yeah, there's 7 ounces. There's 6 ounces of light rum and 1 ounce of brandy. All 4.
No.
Well,
I didn't see you make it, so I don't believe you.
yeah, hey,
Well,
all you,
you
buddy.
can watch it on August 25th. No. Yes. August 25th. That hasn't
So yeah,
happened.
see the lemon's there.
Yeah, but it's sour bite.
Yeah,
You don't
right
get
now.
you don't get any of the.
No, I don't get to really like.
No, you don't get that puckery like fog cutter. Type,
No.
like where you're like. "Oh." I mean, it does. It is like it sticks with you, but it's not super sour. Like you almost turned off.
Yeah, the orange
doesn't-
kind of.
So these two things though scared the shit out of me because they tend to when we mix them together, you get like that bile taste. Like if you get the ratio wrong,
yeah.
it starts to taste like you want to throw up.
Like the Detroit Athletic Club.
Yes, yes, the Detroit Athletic
that
Club
wasn't
worst
good.
cocktail. Same
Yeah.
thing. You don't want to do that. This
It's
is
always gonna
tasty.
stick in my mind.
Worst cocktail ever. This one, however, I like it.
This is good.
I mean, at the end of the day, you're drinking something that's maybe got a little bit of sweet offset from the Orgeat. Yeah, I guess it's tiki, but the damn thing tastes like fruit juice. Sour fruit juice,
Yeah.
which you can't go wrong. You want some sour fruit juice?
Who doesn't want sour fruit juice?
It's good sell right there. Sour fruit juice.
Oh, fruit juice.
We're gonna see if Jen drinks this whole thing.
She will. Unless she gives us a sour face.
Yeah. No.
It is a little sour.
It is a little sour, but it's not like
The orange.
punch you in the face. Yeah.
Oh,
I like it. Oh, our executive producer, Erin Bila. I was going to put our Patreon subscribers, but I sort of locked myself out of my account, and I can't get it. So, well, it's not my fault.
It's a technical thing.
I have a new computer,
restart it.
right?
Ah.
So I put my computer...
There's more here, Jim.
there's more? I put my computer on Patreon. I logged in. It's like, this is a new computer. You need to verify again. I'm going to send you an email with a number. You put it in. I never got the emails.
Alcohol.
And then I tried a different account I have, and I got the emails. Then I put it as a support ticket. I got the email, but I still can't. So the support can send me an email, but their website won't send me the code so I can log in. So I'm kind of bummed. So all my executive producers, you can still go to patreon.com/CMC. I'm sure they'll pay me. I just can't see who you are yet. So otherwise, hit the join button on YouTube. You could get some of this cool stuff. Okay, yeah, you can get Orgeat at OfficeDrinks.com. I have a coupon code. It's not that one. It's over here. I think it's Tiki for... I'll figure it out. I'll put it on the screen below you.
That's you looking at you.
Yeah, it's meta.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a whole nother service.
Damn.
So, question of the day, what's your favorite Tiki cocktail? Write down below. And if we've not made it, I will put it on my list to make
Here's Mai Tai.
next year.
Mai Tai.
Mai Tai. You know what? That drink
Mai
makes me
Tai.
want more drink. I'm like thirsty now.
The lemon juice does that too.
There's a lot of drink.
Yeah.
You can come take it.
All right. Sidebar. More videos. All Tiki. Nothing but Tiki. Tiki's the best. Subscribe to the show. We're teaching you how to drink.